Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, this video is going to be a video on how to install your frontal wig. So guys, I want you guys to sit back and keep on watching guys, and don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. Let's interact and let me know your opinion about this video and what you would like to see next. So guys, let's get straight into the video. So after I got my hair weaved all back, and a stocking cap was put on my head. That's the stocking cap, as you can see on my head. Then after that, the lady is spraying a got to be spray, if I'm right with the name of the spray. It's a got to be spray, and she sprayed it at the edges of my hair where they want the hair to start from. So, and after then, so guys, I want you guys to
drying it down
continue
with an
watching
hair
as this
dryer,
step
hand
here is
dryer. So
self-explanatory, so I
the
don't need
one
to talk too
is
much.
going to dry
My hair is
very
just
very
being
well
washed wig,
before you can proceed
and
to
the
the
lady
next
used a
step. So
shampoo
and that's what
and
the
later
girl is
rinsed it
doing right
and used a
now.
conditioner on
And
it,
as you guys can
as
see,
you guys can see
that's
in the video.
and
So
it was
guys, keep on
very
watching.
hot, too hot for me. That I was even telling her to please stop, and she was like, she just have to do it. So guys, she's just trying to lay the edges down, lay the cap down so it doesn't fall out. Guys, self-explanatory. Let's enjoy. So the next step now is to cut off the excess cap. So what she's trying to do now is to cut the excess cap onto the tip where she sprayed earlier. So she's cutting off the excess cap now, excess cap. Just with the tiny scissors, not the big scissors, for you to get the precise and accurate line. You need to cut with an accurate scissors. That's a small scissors, not a big one, as you guys can see in the video.
So right now she's tying the leftover cap at the back. She's tying it with my hair at the back just to secure it to the back. And after that, she went on to apply powder, my shade of powder, on the parts where she will be applying the lace. And right after that, she's just going in with the glue. She's applying the glue at the tip of the cap, where the cap starts from. Tip of the cap, that's my hairline. After that, she went ahead to spread the glue with a tail comb, or what can I call it? What you can see, as you can see, she just went ahead to spread it with that thing, spread it all over. Then she's moving on now to apply the wig. Apply the wig. She's pulling the wig to the front just to catch up with the place she applied the glue. And what she was doing, when she was doing it, she was trying to tell me to hold it down for her. So I'm helping her to hold one side of the wig while she's trying to do the other part. So right now I dropped my phone and I'm holding the wig for her just to make it easier for her. Now she's trying to set the lace very, very well, just for it to sit in place. After that, as you guys can see, she's trying to apply a headband, like a band, onto the hair just to slick it down for it to be laid very, very well. She's just tying it around, tying it at the back so the hair can be laid to perfection. So right now she's combing the hair, trying to get into the styling. Guys, that's the main thing, styling. She's spreading the got to be on top of the band just to give it extra hold. Right now she went in with an hot comb and she's just combing the hair to the back. Now she applied the hair wax. She applied an hair wax to the hair and then used an hot comb to comb it backward. So guys, I got to eat because I was famished. So I just had to eat. Now I'm eating. Come and join me, guys. Come and join me. So here she has removed the band and now trying to style the hair very well. She's trying to style it very well. She's cleaning the part where the glue stuck in, which is not supposed to be. So she's cleaning those parts. While I'm still eating, that meat I was chewing, God, I had that meat till I left that place. It was so strong. And guys, I'm really sorry, guys, that I couldn't film up to the end of this video.